Welcome to unpacking of the social simulation game World of Communities. So one set of this board game consists of different role tablets, which are personal game panel for each player. These tablets are double-sided, male and female. The aim of the game is to build prosperous community cooperating with other players. The game board consists of different slots that are necessary during the game and reflect the common result of the community, called community attractiveness, and rounds that should be played according to chosen scenario. The scenario depicts the state of the community at the beginning of the game and sets out of the conditions that have to be met by the end of the game. There are also matters of different colors used during the game. There are 34 community development tools in the game. The acting mayor chooses the tools at the beginning of the round and they are to be paid for the end of the round. During the game, each member of community draws a life circumstances cards and fulfills its conditions. There are 12 municipal facilities that the community can construct during the game. Some facilities can be improved upon by using the community development tools. Players can purchase private property or set up their own business. Overall, there are 11 objects of private property in the game. There are also 2 types of realty that are presented in the game. And of course, during the game, players will use play money. The game currency is so-called stack. To play the game in the coopetition mode, the cards of personal goals are given to each player. At the beginning of each round, the members of community choose the mayor. The elected mayor receives the mayor's deck, which helps to make sure each player sticks with the rules of the game. And of course, a guidance on how to play the social simulation game World of Communities is included.